I help fighting another dragon? All right. Let's go. I see you creeping on my very personal flashbacks. I have a little bit of a soft spot for my students. Don't tell anyone, though. I have an image of cowardice and laziness to maintain. Time to get started with a little bit of math here. Today's focus is going to be on choosing a strategy that makes sense with the word problem that we're doing. So we're going to be working on some multiplication here, and you'll have to bear with me a little bit because I still don't have a working pen and tablet. I need to order a new one. We're going to be working on a multiplication word problem here, and we're going to use our RDW strategy. So read, draw, and write. Let's read this first. Math Wizard, hey, that's me, wants to give 9 potions to each of his 8 healers. So I see a couple of numbers in here that I'm going to underline just so that I can come back to them. I'm also noticing this word here, give, and to each, right? So there's me with my hat, and I am giving out these potions, right? Giving them to 8 healers, giving 9 to each. This is already, that word each and giving out is making me think of equal groups. I'm getting the idea of multiplication here, even if I hadn't already known that this was multiplication. And my question, how many potions will he need to make? All right, so we need to know how many potions in all do I need to have here. That sounds like my product. How many in all will I need to have in order to give potions out to 8 healers? Well, let's make our 8 healers then. This is making me think equal groups. I can make circles here and divide up potions between them and figure out how many in all I'd need to give 9 to each. So I like equal groups anyway. Let's take a look at it. Let's do circles for this. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you know what? I'm going to kind of try to mix my strategies a little bit here because I'm pretty comfortable with multiplying 9 and 8 and using some of my other strategies at the same time. So while I know to draw this because I'm spreading things out, I'm giving something out to each of 8 healers, I don't think I want to make 9 dots inside each of these. I think I can visualize this by saying, all right, here's who I'm sharing with, and I'm then just going to label each one with 9. This is probably going to combine it with my repeated addition strategy or my multiples list as I count by 9s here rather than counting all of my dots. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. If you didn't know that this was multiplication yet and you still needed to show by putting those 9 dots in here, hopefully then you could see, all right, yep, I need to figure out how many in all. I need to find my product here. So I would need to count up all these dots. And that would tell you that what you need to do is 9 times 8 is going to equal my total number of potions. We'll call that P. Okay. Now you can do a couple of things. If you know 9 times 8, you can just solve this. If you don't, then you can count up your dots if that's what you've chosen to do, or make a multiples list, or add. I am going to do a multiples list, even though I know my 9 times 8. Let's do our multiples list here. 9, 18. Ooh, and again, here, you'll have to bear with me a little bit. My writing's going to be messier than normal. 36, 45, 54, 63, 3, 72. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, just like I did here, and then another set of 4 to get my total of 8, 72. So P, the number of potions that I wanted, equals 72. And now check, does that make sense? If I had 72 potions, could I give 9 out to 8 different people? Yeah, I think that answer makes sense. And I also can use that to answer with a sentence. How many potions will he need to make? Let's use my text tool here. How many potions will he need to make? He will need to make, and then I can type my answer, 72 potions. Remember, don't make your life harder than it needs to be when you're typing the sentence. You do need to write the sentence, but look, I'm getting most of my words from here. He will need to make, and my answer, 72 potions. Most of it is there for you in the question. You're just restating the question to give an answer and make sure we're both on the same page and that it makes sense. Good luck doing a couple of these yourself. And make sure to help me maintain my image. All right. Thanks.